Mia feels a bit lost when it comes to making friends, but one thing she knows for sure is that she loves cats more than anything. Just look at her room. It's filled with lots of cat toys and drawings of cats. It's like a cat wonderland that shows how much she loves them. One rainy afternoon, Mia sits in her room looking out the window. She feels very lonely and wishes she had friends to play with. Suddenly, Mia hears a little kitty crying. She looks up and sees a scared kitten stuck high in a tree. She knows she has to help it. All the other kids are watching Mia climb. They can't believe what she's doing. They're really surprised to see shy Mia being so brave. Mia climbed down the tree and the kitten was rescued. 3 cheers for Mia, shouted the kids. The next day, all the kids are talking about how brave Mia was. They call her Mia the Brave. She's now a little hero, and she looks very happy. Mia is not lonely anymore. She's playing and laughing with her new friends on the playground. She's really happy now, and she feels like she belongs.